Witnesses tell us they knew there was something wrong with the helicopter as soon as it took off. First, they saw smoke. Then they saw the main rotor shatter. The helicopter crashed in what witnesses describe as a ball of flame. Action News has learned from Pentagon sources that the CH-53E Super Stallion that crashed today was earmarked for the HMX-1 Marine Corps Squadron, the home squadron of Marine One, the President's personal helicopter. Marine One is a specially modified version of the Super Stallion. Designed for strength, not speed, the CH-53E is a huge helicopter, big and bulky, 100 feet long. The same qualities that make the Stallion a military workhorse may have worked against the test crew when they lost power today, some 200 feet over the landing pad at Sikorsky.